What up, folks? I'm back at it like an addict. Now we about to put this car together. Alright, so we getting at it. Alright, so what I need is tell them a gasket kit for the injectors. Matter of fact, you can just call me or I'll text you.
Yeah, text me what you need.
Alright, if I don't text you on time, call me when you get there. Right? Say hi to the camera now. See, you can get a camera high. I gotta do her car tomorrow, so don't even worry about that. But we getting her a new one though. She needs something new though, you know what I'm saying? You rolling with me, you gonna ride super clean. It is clean on one side, I tell you. I start the light. Gotta get a plug for it tomorrow though. And hopefully I can find one to color match it. I tell her to keep the car though, you know, for a winter car. We'll see how that go. Not her, she probably sell it though. But it's her, she can do what she wanna do. I didn't pay for it. She did. Her money, her stuff. I just try to help folks, that's all. Dude, in this $200 truck back there. I ain't bad though for $200. But y'all know what? All that old smooth talk. Let's get at this, man. So we about to start jacking off. We about to blow that bitch up. He got a clean tailgate for $200 truck though. I'll give him that. I'm waiting for it to go boom though. I ain't got time for that, man. That 2 minutes of bull crap. I still ain't even put my darn badging on. But that's alright, y'all ready to get at it? I ain't, but what choice I got? So, let's get at it. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? I know you commenters get at my back on one thing in particular. You commenters. So with that being said, I guess I got two things to do. One, don't forget, is to pop the trunk for one. For two, I gotta figure out what I did with my pliers. Right now that's gonna work. So let's get that off. Always remember, ground is the first to come off, ground is the last to put on. You never put the positive first on, because you can arc something off and you can shorten out your dash. So if you didn't know that, I just gave you a handy dandy tipper. But first thing first, you want to do is you do want to unhook batch array. Just my. So alright, folk. I've been stalling, gumballing, sun going down, so I ain't burning up. You see, I got a jacket on. I'm more comfortable like that. I ain't one of these people that can take the cool weather too much. That's why I don't ride my bikes. But back to the scenario, you know what I'm saying? I had to do something, so I got me some tools set up right there. And then I set a few more up right there, so we can get at this right here. Because I got other stuff I got to do when I get this done. First, I want to try to get my damn yard cleaned up a little bit. A little embarrassing. I ain't for all that stuff, man. You know, we always got shit laying around everywhere, dude. Oh, yeah. Meet my neighbor. What's your name, buddy?
Mike?
Mike. Mike, say what's up to America. You know, this go national. This is what I do. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. This is one of my YouTube videos I'm making on. Yeah. Yeah. Look me up, Billy Clint, buddy. That's what I do, is make YouTube videos. So this video is about this car. Start, but wouldn't run. Then now I figured it out. So I know it's a lot of people in the world that had this problem with Corvettes. So hopefully me doing this will help somebody. Because I've been on the internet for 3 days looking for this straight. And I ain't found it. So hopefully if this can help somebody out.
Right?
Yeah. But yeah. Billy Clint with 2 T's. Life.
No, you know what, Bill? You're a smart businessman. That's all I'm going to say about you. Like me in flea markets and all that selling and dealing.
Well, see, what's the difference between a job and a career?
Oh, if you go to work for a job, they don't want to pay you now for hard labor. But if you go to do something else, you get paid faster.
Matter of fact, you know what, America? Let me ask y'all this question. What's the difference between a job and a career? I'm going to give y'all 5 seconds. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Boop. Okay. The difference is this. A job is something you got to go to, whether you like it or not, because bills got to be paid and mouths got to be fed. A career is something you love to do. You would even do it for free if you could. But you just so happen to make a lot of money at it. You see, if you got a career, it's something you chose. If you got a job, you probably took the first thing available. And that's the difference. All right, back at it. Nobody ever gave me that definition. That's my own definition.
Because
somebody proved me wrong then otherwise, but...
Because you're smart. You ain't dumb.
A career is something that you love to do. You chose it.
Oh, that's right.
If you go to school, just think. Person go to, like you said, I went to school for this. I didn't have to. So if I did, that mean I wanted to, right?
Right.
So that mean it's something I want to do. Other than taking a job at, what's that place up there in Jefferson? Press Right. People take that job at Press Right because they need a job. It's 1,000 degrees in there. Who, grow up saying I want to work there for the rest of my life? No. You go do it because bills need to be paid. You got a baby on the way and all that stuff.
You're right, Bill. You're a smart man, Bill.
I had to shut her.
You ain't that dumb. Well, I'll let you go. I don't want to bother you. Take it easy.
All right, buddy.
I'm just waiting for them to come back.
I don't know why these won't hold in my gun no more. But that is very unsettling. I paid too much freaking money for this not to work, not to stay steady. That locked in place. Let's see if it's the socket. Well, that locked in place. That's the other stuff I done seen. Hello.